So I get asked quite often on YouTube how to put the glass into the Deco SG channel, and we have a perfect project for this because we'll have one screen with the tiled ceiling, Deco SG on the ceiling and Deco SG on the wall, flush with the tiles, but also we have a bench where we have a channel on the bottom along the bench, nice and flush, and channel on the ceiling. And lucky for us, the best glass guys in Ottawa Valley from App Glass are on site now to put it all in and show us how it's done. So follow along how it's put in. So we have a channel top and bottom. So we have to slide it up and down and put it on the clear blocks, and we'll show you every detail. So we slid one panel up and down the channel and now are using these special clear blocks which are designed for glass, comes with different thicknesses to adjust and split the difference from the bottom. So now we are 1/4 inch higher, so sitting nicely at the top channel, and are bringing the second panel in with the nice miter detail here on the corner. And we are adjusting the heights of the glass in the channel with the blocks, adding up 30 seconds now to get it where we want it. And we are on the second panel. We have the clear blocks in the channel and glass is coming up. Slide it up the top first. Line up the bottom nicely. So our glass is in and in alignment, so we are using the clear shims to wedge the glass in the channel because the channel is slightly wider, so we are putting clear blocks in so it doesn't move at all and stays where it's supposed to. Making sure the glass is locked in before we'll tape over the miter to hold it nicely together and silicone it from the inside. And so the bench glass installed, we tie the miter together and it will get siliconed from inside to hold it all together. And now we are going to bring the second panel, and since we have the channel on the left, the glass is to slide in, we have to cut out, make a little space for the glass to come up and then slide left to the channel. So that's why the tile is cut a little further than the channel, and to have a room for it. And here we have no channel on the bottom. We'll just silicone against the tile because it would be impossible to put the glass in on all three sides into the channel. So we just stand it on the shims. And since we have a slope on the shower, we can slide it down the shower floor a little bit to gain some height to get it up on the ceiling.
Grab me a cup. Yeah, you're gonna guide it in top. Just pull back over close. Ready?
Yeah.
So we slide up into the channel and against the wall. Bring it up nice and plumb.
So let's go down Yeah.
Starting to look like a shower.
Yeah, that should be good. Yep.
So, and we have a glass on clear wide hinge shims, and you can hear the rattle of the glass inside the channel, so that's why we are wedging it in with the clear shims. And now we see when the glass is nice and deep in this channel to hold, we have the little gap to fill. That's important part when you are doing this kind of glass. And we have a little tiny tile pieces we'll insert up to cover. Again, do the clear shims to center it in the channel, hold it in place so it doesn't move before we silicone the whole perimeter. Pretty much go all the way where the glass fits into the channel and touches anything. We'll silicone the whole perimeter on both sides, on the bench and on the screen as well. And all the siliconing is done around all the glass. I didn't bore you with the details of the siliconing in, but we do it with the wet way, with the putting a nice clean bead of silicone and spraying it with the soapy water. You can still see little water residue here, so we can smooth that and tool it nice and clean. And here are two little plugs in. It's actually almost super hard to see. This one didn't fit perfectly as this one. So instead of white caulking or something, if you are on a distance you don't even know, we need a little slot to get the glass in. So this is it. And if you want your shower glass look like that and you are in the Ottawa Valley, call App Glass because John is the best around.